Hello, Noble Scots. I'm Teri Ott, Dean of the Chapel here at Monmouth College. Now, if you just watched our History and Traditions video, you know that Presbyterian missionaries founded Monmouth College because they recognized the need for higher education here in the Illinois frontier, particularly a liberal arts higher education that nurtures critical thinkers, complex problem solvers, and servant leaders. Now, we still very much honor our Presbyterian heritage and traditions, and one of the ways we do that is that religious and spiritual life is part of the package here at Monmouth College. You have 2 full-time Presbyterian pastors on staff, myself and Reverend Jessica Hawkinson, who are here to meet your religious and spiritual needs. But we also offer you a host of programs. Watch for our invitations to evening prayer and our monthly worship nights. And every Sunday from 4 to 6 p.m., you're invited to come to the Presbyterian House for dinner and devotion. Now, college is a great time to explore your faith, to ask yourself the big questions of meaning and purpose. So I encourage you to get involved, take advantage of what we have to offer, and we're so excited you're here.